Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known investor, businessman, and best-selling author of financial success books. He is known for his unconventional views on investing and business, which have helped many people achieve financial freedom. In this context, I would like to share with you 10 tips from Robert Kiyosaki that can help you improve your financial life and achieve financial independence. These tips are the core competencies you need for successful investing in business, and they can be the foundation for your financial growth and prosperity. 1. Invest in your education. Robert Kiyosaki claims that education is the key to financial success. Education can help you better understand financial instruments and make more informed decisions. Robert Kiyosaki is convinced that investing in your education is one of the most important steps to financial success. He believes that education helps people better understand financial instruments and make more informed financial decisions. Kiyosaki believes that education should be an ongoing process, not limited to school or university. He advises people to constantly learn new topics and develop their knowledge in order to better understand financial instruments and make informed decisions. In addition, Kiyosaki believes that education should be practical and applicable to real life. He advises people to seek out courses, trainings, and other educational programs that will help them learn how to invest, manage their finances, and achieve financial success. Finally, Kiyosaki emphasizes that investing in your education can pay off in increased income and financial stability. People who have better financial knowledge and skills can make better decisions and be more successful in their lives. Therefore, investing in your education can be the key to future financial success. 2. Don't be afraid of risk. Robert Kiyosaki believes that risk is an inevitable part of investing, and you have to be willing to take risks to succeed. Robert Kiyosaki believes that in order to succeed financially, you need to be willing to take risk. He argues that risk is an inevitable part of investing and that while investing may involve risk, it can also yield high returns. However, Kiyosaki stresses that this does not mean that one should rush into every investment opportunity. He believes it is important to assess risks and make informed decisions based on an analysis of the situation. Kiyosaki advises people not to be afraid of risk and make decisions based on informed analysis rather than emotion. He believes that being afraid of risk can lead to missing out on valuable investment opportunities and limiting one's financial options. One way to manage risk, Kiyosaki advises, is to diversify your portfolio of investments. He believes that spreading investments among several different assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate and others, can reduce the risk of loss and increase the likelihood of income. In general, Kiyosaki is convinced that risk is an inevitable part of investing, but he also advises people to consider their personal financial goals and circumstances before deciding to invest. This approach can help investors minimize risk and achieve financial success. 3. Learn from professionals. Kiyosaki believes that learning from those who are already successful in investing can help you better understand the market and make more informed decisions. Robert Kiyosaki believes that learning from professionals in investing can help people better understand the market and make more informed decisions. He argues that many people mistakenly think they can learn how to invest on their own, but the truth is to learn from those who have already been successful in this area. Kiyosaki advises looking for professionals with a good reputation and extensive experience in investing. He argues that these people can help you understand how the market works, what tools are most effective and what factors affect investment returns. He also advises joining investment communities and clubs to be around people with similar interests and goals. Networking with such people can help you gain valuable knowledge and experience in investing. Kiyosaki also stresses the importance of continuous learning and updating your knowledge in this field. He advises constantly learning about new technologies, trends, and investment opportunities to stay current and make informed decisions. Overall, Kiyosaki argues that learning from professionals and continuing your education are key to success in investing. This will help you better understand the market, reduce risk, and increase the likelihood of profits. 4. Know how to work with money. Kiyosaki believes that understanding how to work with money is an important skill to develop. Knowing how to budget, manage debt and invest are key competencies necessary for financial success. Robert Kiyosaki argues that knowing how to handle money properly is an important skill to develop for financial success. He believes that understanding the basics of finance and the ability to budget, manage debt and invest are key competencies that will help people manage their finances and achieve their financial goals. Kiyosaki advises starting with budgeting to make sure you know how much money you are getting and what you are spending it on. He states that budgeting will help you understand where your money is going and what changes you can make to improve your financial situation. He also believes it's important to manage your debt and learn how to use credit to get the most benefit. He advises learning about different types of loans, understanding their interest rates and terms, and knowing how to minimize risks. In addition, Kiyosaki believes that investing is an important way to increase one's income and achieve financial freedom. He advises to study different investment instruments such as stocks, bonds, real estate and others and choose the ones that best suit your financial goals. In general, Kiyosaki argues that knowing how to handle money properly is an important skill for financial success. He advises starting with budgeting, debt management and investing, and continuing to develop your knowledge and skills in these areas to reach your financial goals. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Kiyosaki believes that mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning and growth process and that you should use them to your advantage to make better informed decisions in the future. For Kiyosaki, mistakes are not failures, but rather opportunities for learning and growth. He believes that to be successful in investing, you have to be prepared for setbacks and mistakes. It is important to use these mistakes to gain valuable experience and information that will help you make more informed decisions in the future. While many people are afraid to make mistakes, Kiyosaki argues that it is important to learn from them and find ways to correct them so that you don't repeat them in the future. This means that when investing, it is important not only to be aware of the potential risks, but also to prepare for possible mistakes. Kiyosaki encourages people not to be afraid to make mistakes, but to use them as a way to learn and grow. He believes that only those who are prepared to fail can achieve real financial success. 5. Don't spend money on things that don't generate income. Robert Kiyosaki says that the ability to distinguish necessary expenses from unnecessary ones is an important skill for financial success. 6. Use tax breaks. Kiyosaki believes that using tax breaks can help you keep more money in your pocket and increase your profitability. 7. Don't be afraid to change your mindset. Robert Kiyosaki believes that changing your mindset and approach to financial matters can help you achieve greater success. If your current approach isn't working, don't be afraid to change it and try something new. 8. Don't look for the quick and easy way to success. Kiyosaki believes that people often look for quick and easy ways to success, but actually financial success takes effort and time. So don't be afraid to work hard and put in the effort to achieve your goals. 9. Don't wait until it's too late. Robert Kiyosaki states that many people put off their financial problems until it's too late. He advises to start acting now to avoid financial problems in the future. 10. Don't rely only on your salary. Kiyosaki believes that relying only on your salary can be risky, especially in unstable economic conditions. He advises to look for additional sources of income to increase your financial stability. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's advice can help us achieve financial success and become more confident in managing our finances. He teaches us not to be afraid of risks, develop our skills and knowledge, learn from professionals, know how to handle money and not be afraid of mistakes. But the most important thing Kiyosaki teaches us is not to be afraid to strive for success and not to be afraid of failure along the way. This is what will motivate us to move forward and achieve our goals. We need to remember that every success and failure along the way are opportunities to learn and grow, so we need to keep our confidence and keep moving toward our goals. If you want even more tips on financial success and how to become a billionaire, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to the Become a Billionaire channel. Here you will find lots of useful information on how to invest, make money and achieve financial freedom. Become a Billionaire will help you understand the strategies and tactics you need to achieve your financial goals and dreams. You'll get access to exclusive advice and training from financial and business experts. Subscribe to the Become a Billionaire channel today and start your journey to financial independence and billions.